So good morning children. Now here is the next chapter that we are going to study today is Chuskit Goes to School. Children, this chapter is not in your syllabus but it is there in your book, so we need to understand and read this chapter. So the thing that has been given in this chapter, Chuskit is a small girl and she is very much in the very first paragraph. It has been described Chuskit's dream, and the very first line is explaining us that this girl Chuskit, who is 10 years old and very much excited the day because she is going to school, and as you all know that going to school is the age of 3 or 3.5, but she is all 10 years old. But this is the day that she is going, the dreams come true that she is going to school, and she is very much excited that she couldn't sleep the last night. So uska jo school hai Chuskit ka is not far from her house. You have to take the big road and then walk along the lake, cross the river near the poplar trees, and then after a small climb you reach the school. So this is the way that Chuskit is telling us about her school. And the children of Skitpupul village reach their school, all the children but not Chuskit. Now in the next paragraph, though in the first paragraph children try to understand that Chuski is very much excited, so because this is the first day of her to going to school and she is all 10 years old. And in the next paragraph it has been explaining that what is the reason behind this, that after 10 years she is going to reach the school. The thing is that, and in this paragraph also it has been explained where is the school. So all the children of 10 years or back, they were all going to school, and Chuskit was not able to go to school because, so here in the next page we can see the pictures of Ladakh. The father is carrying Chuskit on her back. You can see the picture that the reason behind this, that Chuskit couldn't go to school, was this, that she was a special child and she by birth only she is not having the strength in her leg to walk. So here the hilly areas couldn't reach to school. The roads are very rocky and uneven. You can see in the pictures that the plateaus are there, hilly plateaus, and the place that has been described in this chapter is Ladakh. Chuskit amongst the photographs from Ladakh. So the reason very well known by you all. In the next page also, at first Chuskit did not know. जब वो छोटी थी उसे ये तो नहीं पता चला, बिकॉज छोटा बच्चा है, वो खुद नहीं रियलाइज कर पा रहा है कि उसके अंदर कौन सी डिसेबिलिटी है. बट लेटर ऑन शी फाइंड आउट दैट शी वॉज अनेबल टू walk and she is not as common as other children. Now here Chuskit's chair. Now when she was really a small child, she used to go back to her, just उसके पापा जो थे वो उसको अपने बैग पर ले लेते थे और एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कैरी कर लेते थे. बट नाउ Chuski is all now grown up girl, 10 years old girl. So उसके पापा उसे क्या ला के देते हैं, व्हील चेयर ला के देते हैं. दिस व्हील चेयर ब्रिंग्स अ लिटिल चेंज इन हर लाइफ, कि जब वो विंडो के पास बैठ के ड्राइंग्स बनाया करती थी, अम्माली एंड अप्पाली. Amma means Ammali, he used to say to her mother, and Abba to the father. एंड ही यूज़ टू स्पेंड हर डेज, वो अपना दिन कैसे बिताती थी, खिड़की के पास बैठ के बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर ड्राइंग किया करती थी. और ड्राइंग करने के बाद फिर वो अपना टाइम वक्त ऐसे बिताती थी. बट द डे इज़ वेरी हैप्पियर फॉर हर जब उसके अब्बा उसके लिए व्हील चेयर लेके आते हैं. अब उस व्हील चेयर की हेल्प से बेटा वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भी जा सकती थी, खुद से उसको मूव कर सकती थी. इवन शी कैन हैव अ लुक टू द चिल्ड्रेन दोज हु आर गोइंग टू स्कूल. एंड दैट टाइम डेस्परेटली, बहुत बुरी तरह से Chuskit जो थी वो स्कूल को मिस किया करती थी. नाउ देयर इज़ अ बॉय अब्दुल, वो इसके Chuskit के घर को आता है एंड ही रियली फील बैड अबाउट Chuskit दैट शी couldn't go to school. तो शी इज़ हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ Chuskit कि डोंट वरी, विल डू सम प्लानिंग और डू सम thing that you will, one day it will come that you will be able to go to school. But her Mammy Lee means grandfather stopped her and said, Chuskit will not go to school. You can't make a dream too. Please don't tell any dream about her because this is not possible. बट अब्दुल की जो उम्मीद थी, जो आशा थी, वो उसने नहीं छोड़ी एंड शी प्लान फॉर द Chuskit girl to go to school. A good idea. This paragraph is explaining about Chuskit dreams come true. Now, when Abdul जो खुद स्कूल जाता था, उसने स्कूल जब ज्वाइन किया and he went to school, so he had a word. उसने वहाँ के हेड मास्टर, वहाँ के टीचर्स, इवन द स्टूडेंट्स, he talked to the management, to the entire people of the school to solve the problem of Chuskit. And at last, he convinced everyone. Now, everybody was in a mode of solving the problem that how the wheelchair could be reached to the school. So, for this, सबसे पहले क्या करना था, जो अनइवन रोड थी हैड टू बी मेड लेवल, उसे हमें एक लेवल पे बनाना था. तो स्कूल का एक ग्रुप मिलके जो है वो स्कूल की रोड जो चुस्किट के घर से स्कूल तक गई थी उसे बराबर कर रहा था. एक दूसरा ग्रुप जो था वो रिवर एरिया के आसपास की चीज़ों को लेबल कर रहा था. बट स्टिल देयर वाज अ प्रॉब्लम. अब कौन सी प्रॉब्लम थी भाई, वो इस पेज में हमें बताई गई है. वो एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि how Chuskit will cross the river. But there was still a problem how Chuskit will cross the river. Now here comes the older children and the teacher who are the elder one. They take the charge of this and on a small on the river they made a small bridge with wood. लकड़ियों से उन्होंने एक अच्छा सा ब्रिज बना दिया जिससे चुस्किट की व्हील चेयर जो थी वो रिवर को क्रॉस कर सकती थी. नाउ एवरीवन हैप्पीली वर्कड हार्ड. सभी ने हार्ड वर्क किया. इवन द पेरेंट्स वर आल्सो इन्वॉल्व. They were not doing the work, but they were helping the children in giving them tea and biscuits. Then Chuskit Mammy Lee had tears in her eyes. Even the grandmother was filled with really, really much tears and hurt and touched that what the children were doing for Chuskit. Not because he was sad, but because he was very happy. And this, by seeing all this tough job by the school management and by the small children, she really feel very very happy. सो शाम तक क्या होता है, सभी काम हो जाते हैं. ऑल द चिल्ड्रन वर वेरी हैप्पी. बट जो सबसे ज़्यादा हैप्पी था, जिसका ड्रीम बिल्कुल पूरा होने जा रहा था, वो कौन थी? यस ऑफ कोर्स चिल्ड्रन, शी इज़ Chuskit. Her dream was about to come true. And today it was that special day. और आज जो कि अभी फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ की फर्स्ट लाइन में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, that today is the special day for Chuskit with all the efforts that Abdul and the school management took for Chuskit. This is the time for Chuskit to go to school. Chuskit was really ready. She was eager to go to school and was really excited and eager to go to the first day of school. So this is all in this chapter, children. A very interesting and a very touchy story about a very special child, Chuskit, and how the school people and the small children helped Chuskit to make her dream come true. And the thing that has been also explained in this chapter is about Ladakh. So let me tell you few lines about Ladakh. Children, Ladakh is in Kashmir. It is the highest plateau of Indian state and it is situated at the great height of 3000 meters. And this plateau is really very much cold, children. Okay, so this is all about Ladakh and hope you like the chapter. In the next video, I'll be teaching you the Baswa's farm and food and fun. Till then, be happy and be safe.